Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone! Today I've got something super exciting for you. 7 beginner-friendly chair exercises to help target chest fat. And the best part, it only takes 7 minutes a day for 7 days. That's right, you heard me. We're going to tone and tighten that chest area with simple exercises you can do right from your chair. No need for fancy gym equipment or hours of sweating it out. So if you're ready to burn some calories and tone your chest, grab a chair, some water, and let's get started. No gym equipment needed, just you, your chair, and a little bit of space. All right, let's jump right into our first exercise, the seated chest press. This one's a great way to activate those chest muscles. Sit up straight in your chair and make sure your feet are flat on the floor. Now bring your hands together in front of your chest, palms facing each other. Imagine you're holding a big beach ball between your hands. Now press your palms together as hard as you can, like you're trying to squeeze that ball. Hold that squeeze for 3 seconds. Really feel those chest muscles working, and then release. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. This will help you maintain good posture and get the most out of the movement. Let's repeat this for 1 minute, keeping that energy up. Seated chest fly. Great work with that first exercise. You're doing an amazing job and your dedication is really showing. Keep up the fantastic effort. Now, let's move on to the seated chest fly. This exercise is excellent for targeting your chest muscles and improving your upper body strength. This one's going to really target those chest muscles and give them a nice stretch. You'll feel the burn, but it's all part of the process of getting stronger. Keep sitting tall in your chair, and this time, extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Maintaining good posture is crucial for maximizing the benefits of this exercise and preventing any strain on your back. Make sure your palms are facing forward. This position will help engage your chest muscles more effectively and ensure you're performing the exercise correctly. Now, imagine you're giving a big hug to a tree trunk in front of you. Visualizing this can help you focus on the movement and engage the right muscles. Bring your arms in towards each other, squeezing your chest as if you're trying to touch your elbows together. This squeeze is where the magic happens, really working those chest muscles. Once you've given that tree a good squeeze, slowly open your arms back up to the starting position. Control is key here. Don't rush the movement. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Proper breathing helps you maintain your energy and focus. Inhale as you open your arms and exhale as you squeeze your chest. This breathing pattern will help you stay in rhythm and make the exercise more effective. Let's do this for 1 minute, focusing on that controlled movement and the squeeze in your chest. Keep your movement smooth and steady, and remember quality over quantity. It's not about how fast you can go, but how well you can perform each rep. Stay strong and keep pushing through. You've got this. All right, time to turn up the heat with some chair push-ups. These are a fantastic way to build upper body strength, especially for beginners. Chair push-ups are a great introduction to the traditional push-up, providing support and stability while still giving you a solid workout. Don't worry, these are beginner-friendly and we're going to work those chest muscles even more. Chair push-ups are perfect for those who are just starting their fitness journey or for anyone looking to add variety to their routine. Place your hands on the edge of the chair, shoulder width apart. Make sure your fingers are pointing forward and your grip is firm. This will help you maintain balance and control throughout the exercise. Now, walk your feet back until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is crucial for engaging the right muscle groups and preventing injury. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Engage your core and slowly lower your chest down towards the chair by bending your elbows. Focus on controlled movements, ensuring that your elbows are pointing slightly back rather than flaring out to the sides. Once your chest is close to the chair, push yourself back up to the starting position, straightening your arms. Exhale as you push up and make sure to keep your body in a straight line. Remember, it's okay to start with your knees on the ground if the full push-up feels too challenging. This modification still works your chest, shoulders and triceps effectively, while reducing the load on your upper body. Listen to your body and modify as needed. If you feel any discomfort or strain, take a break or adjust your position. The goal is to build strength gradually and safely. Let's aim for as many reps as we can in 1 minute. Keep track of your progress and try to improve with each session. Consistency is key to seeing results. Go at your own pace and remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form rather than rushing through the reps. Proper form ensures that you're effectively working the target muscles and reducing the risk of injury. After completing your reps, take a moment to stretch and cool down. Stretching helps to relax the muscles and improve flexibility, which is essential for recovery and preventing soreness. Great job! You've just completed a set of chair push-ups. Remember, every bit of effort counts towards your fitness goals. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see improvement over time. Keep up the good work. Seated arm raises. Awesome job with those push-ups. Now, let's give our chest muscles a bit of a break and work on those shoulders with some seated arm raises. Sit tall in your chair, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Extend your arms out to your sides at shoulder level, palms facing down. Now, raise your arms straight up above your head, keeping your arms straight but not locking your elbows. Lower your arms back down to shoulder level, controlling the movement. Imagine you're lifting weights and really focus on using those shoulder muscles to lift and lower your arms. Let's keep those arms moving for 1 minute. All right, let's grab those water bottles again for this next exercise, the seated chest squeeze. This one's going to really target those inner chest muscles. Hold a water bottle in each hand, or if you prefer, you can simply clasp your hands together. Bring your hands together in front of your chest, elbows bent and pointing out to the sides. Now, squeeze your hands or the water bottles inward as hard as you can, like you're trying to crush them together. Hold that squeeze for 3 seconds. Really feel those chest muscles working. And then release. Make sure you're sitting up straight and engaging your core throughout the exercise. Let's go for 1 minute, keeping that squeeze strong and controlled. We're getting close to the end, but let's challenge ourselves with some incline chair push-ups. This exercise is a fantastic way to build upper body strength and engage your core muscles. It's a bit more challenging than regular push-ups, but the benefits are worth the effort. This variation will target your chest muscles from a different angle, giving you a more comprehensive workout. By elevating your feet, you shift more weight onto your upper body, which intensifies the exercise. This time, place your feet on the chair, keeping them hip-width apart. Make sure the chair is stable and won't slide away as you perform the push-ups. Stability is key to maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Now, come down onto your hands, positioning them shoulder-width apart on the floor in front of the chair. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders to ensure proper alignment and support. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise and protecting your lower back. Engage your core and slowly lower your chest down towards the floor by bending your elbows. Keep your movements controlled and steady, focusing on the muscles you're working. Push yourself back up to the starting position, straightening your arms. Exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower down. Breathing properly will help you maintain rhythm and endurance. Remember, if this variation feels too challenging, stick with the regular chair push-ups. It's important to build up your strength gradually to avoid overexertion. Listen to your body and modify as needed. There's no shame in adjusting the exercise to match your current fitness level. The goal is to improve over time, not to push yourself to the point of injury. Let's aim for as many reps as we can in 1 minute, keeping that core tight and those movements controlled. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than to rush through and compromise your technique. Keep pushing, you've got this. Amazing job, everyone. We're on our last exercise and it's a relaxing one. The seated side chest stretch. Sit tall in your chair and take a deep breath. Now reach your right arm up towards the ceiling and then gently bend your elbow, bringing your hand towards your left shoulder. With your left hand, gently pull your right elbow towards your chest, feeling a stretch in your right shoulder and chest. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into it. Now, switch sides and repeat the stretch on the other side. This stretch feels so good after all that hard work. Great job, everyone. Now, let's cool down with some deep breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let's take a moment to stretch out those arms and chest. You did amazing, that's it. You just finished 7 minutes of effective, beginner-friendly chair exercises targeting chest fat. If you stick with this routine for 7 days, you'll start feeling stronger and notice some changes. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy workout routines you can do from home. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling after today's workout. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.